Hello, Hamster Combat Miners. Rishibun Saisen Pat Hagani ka video. Nan wa HP hagbaya di bat ka khubor. Nani ka announcement hagban nagliang jong ka committee jong ka Hamster Combat kalapan bana shangi ki players lani kinungi simenta nadu bala sedang ban launch ya kani ka mining mini apps. Tiang ning in the page directly in ya page ya kani ka announcement hagban nagliang jong ka Hamster Combat kalapan tip shangi. Smile for the camera. Season 1 of the game is coming to an end, and that's why we are taking a snapshot on September 20th at 6 p.m. UTC. Kita kabumut ba kya Hamster Combat kan sa shim ya ka collection na ni ka jinglum jingtip hakbay day ba ki players ba shim banta hakani ka Hamster Combat kata haka arpo tarik banta kasi ha ka drubu je janmin jong ka UTC times. But this is not the end. This is the beginning of something even bigger. So kani kamde ke jing good ma. Sa pigi palong baro ki bala shimbenta shiram hagani ka Hamster Combat hagini ki singi kini ki banai ki bala dep. Kani kamde ke jing good de ke jing sedang ka ba kham pan ba shu ka ba kham janai shu. So ka meaning jong ka snapshot. So a snapshot is a static copy, a representation of the state of the blockchain of the data at a specific point in time that will help us build a correct estimation model for the airdrop distribution. So kani ka snapshot kadi kumshi banta ban lum ha jing tip ya ki players ki bala shimenta ha kani ka Hamster Combat ki ki ba kini ki players ki lale kila Tracy Tom na du ki achievement ki keys ki task ki tab the profit per hour kini baro ki di ki static copy lani ki data hakba nagliang jong ka hamster kan sa copy lani kan sa lum knang ba kan tip ban pha lani ban distribute ya ki airdrop sha ki players ki blashim ta shirham hakani ka season 1. And the next sakwi pade ka announcement badang shupo hi menin kasi we would like to remind you that changing your withdrawal method is only available until September 21st 8 a.m. So kajing choose jungi lani kajing pankalan jungi bangin withdraw hai ki international exchange wallet kan tat haduk arpoitrik September arjar arsaw. So note that if you had linked your wallet during the airdrop task before we introduce off-chain deposit option, you also need to choose a withdrawal method by September 21. So long ba hadin ba kila pentip ya kini ki withdrawal method lani withdrawal wallet nagliang jong ka Hamster Combat kala pentip sha ki players baro ba kide ban choose ya ka link lani kide ban choose ya ka wallet but kide ru ban link ya ka wallet hapo u Hamster Combat mini game knang bakin la ban exchange lani knang bakin la ban deposit ya u airdrop ha ka wallet ka ba gila de banding ha ka Hamster Combat so nakata daw la kapat ya ki players baro ki yole se gidang don ki bom pat link ya ki wallet ki chunki sumha shim no ya kani kabu link no shwa ban put ketika arpoi tarik September jarab sau nomar hadin ketika arpoi tarik phimla shu banding bat phinum yo ban claim yo te u airdrop u ban support ha ki wallet ki chongphi. And the last one sakwi ka ba khadu hangni selecting wallet to receive your Hamster Combat token allows you to join an exclusive wallet earn campaign on September 24 and receive 300% APY for up to for 7 days. If you haven't chosen your claim method yet, go to the Hamster Combat app and choose wallet in the airdrop. Tap to participate in the promotion with wallet. You can easily confirm your account and receive your token directly in Telegram. So long nila da kinu ki players ki bom pat shemla link lani ki bom pat siam la choose connect ya ki wallet ki chongki hapok hamster combat sum hashim no ya gani kabul late no ha u hamster combat app but sa click ha u airdrop button but sa participate no shimbenta no ban connect ya ki wallet ki chongpi khna wa pinyo ban claim ya u airdrop but by kini ki airdrop token kin one directly ha ki telegram wallet ki chongpi. You will then be able to buy and sell hamster token to other users, send them to Telegram contact without fees, exchange them for their cryptocurrency, or deposit them into wallet, earn promotion for passive income. So hadin me phi la de ban link la ni connect ki wallet ki chong phi airdrop support ya ki wallet ki chong phi kata la ban ha Telegram bende ki Tone wallet ki Binance Bybit exchange thì hadin ba la poi ne u hamster token ando ne hamster coin phila ban pen kam hakiliang baro kum ban siu ala da phi kwa ban exchange ya ka currency ru shaka fiat money ru phila without fees and without gas fees la da phi chain na koi ga cryptocurrency shaka we ru phimdon kam ban siu bat phila ru ban deposit na koi ka wallet shaka we ka wallet la ne shaki wallet parlo ki chong phiru claim kanu kanu ki ching siu la ne gas fee so nakata kadau nagaling juga hamster community announcement kala pentip shabaro ki players bikin subha ban shimi kani kabu le no ya kai ka ba don kam ti la ka pat ru kham ta me ya ki players ki ba de no po ka state me khala ka ba shimata ha kani ka hamster combat season 1 good luck ngakermen ba ki jing trai stom jung phi pinyo yu so ha ka apru tarik nang ba ngin nang la ban shim ban ta chu shu ha ka season 2 khan ka ba kham ha nang ye pen kre na ka ban ta ka season 2 hadin apru tarik kin sa lila biang na ka ban ta ki players baro ka bla shim ban ta ha ka season 1 mekin shim ban ta shiram ha ka season 2 na ka ban ta kani ka mining game wa nagaliang jong kini ki nong penya jong hamster kila island ya ki players leni ki brio hasa tala ka pathai ban shimbanta ban top but and money play to earn p2e so play shibun ya ki subscribers but kumjuru ye ai ya ki parlok ki bala join lengba ke channel ke jonga lengba ka link ka palanga ngala bu ha ka description so nakabenta gitu ki candidates ki padang thamai la ne ki viewers ki padang thamai ba pe yang ne video la la phim pat join so ba join no namar ba ka season 2 kadang don ha din ka arphan tarik ka season 2 kan sa sedang ti one up you know namar ba akan sa sepai ke por ba pin sa du nong so nakata kadau aka dengan sebuah apa ke description ban pila ban join pila ban download yo telegram wallet bat sa join ya kani ka game bat chisala ban tap lane ban mining ban ya kai khamha shushu kat hadu ba insalis biang yo airdrop ha ka season 2 so tang na tang na ta katahi ka announcement